Did you know that most people don't have a money problem? They have a system problem? You work hard, money comes in, and somehow it disappears before the month ends. No real savings, no investments, and a constant feeling of being behind. But what if one simple rule could change the way you handle money forever? Today, I'll show you the beginner-friendly budgeting method that can help you spend guilt-free, build savings, invest for the future, and still give back, all without complicated spreadsheets or financial jargon. Welcome to Wealth in Progress, where we turn simple money habits into long-term wealth. In this video, you'll learn the 50-30-10-10 budgeting rule, why it works, and how to apply it even if your income is small or inconsistent. Please, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, and turn on notification bell for more updates. Let's break it down. Budgeting isn't about restricting your life. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. The 50-30-10-10 rule divides your income into four simple categories. 50% for spending, your everyday needs and lifestyle expenses, 30% for savings and investments. Building your future wealth, 10% for emergency savings. Your financial safety net, 10% for giving. Supporting family, community, or causes you care about, simple. Balanced. Sustainable. / greater than half of your income goes toward the life you live today. This includes / greater than rent or mortgage, food and groceries, transportation, utilities, and internet phone bills. Reasonable entertainment. The goal isn't to live miserably, it's to keep your lifestyle from quietly consuming your future. A common mistake, as income increases, spending increases even faster. That's called lifestyle inflation, and it keeps many people stuck paycheck to paycheck. Quick tip: if your spending is above 50%, start by trimming the easiest leaks first. Subscriptions, impulse purchases, frequent takeout, and expensive financing plans. The benefit: you create breathing room in your budget without feeling deprived. This is where your future self starts winning. That 30% can include retirement accounts, index funds, or ETFs, stocks, business investments, long-term savings goals. Many beginners think investing requires a lot of money. It doesn't. Consistency matters far more than starting big. Here's the emotional truth. Every month you delay investing, you're giving up time. And time is the most powerful force in wealth building because of compound interest. Example: if you invest $150 every month starting at age 22, you can end up with far more than someone who starts later with larger amounts. The benefit: your money begins working for you instead of only you working for money. Life happens. Cars break down. Phones get damaged. Jobs change. Medical bills appear unexpectedly. That's why 10% goes into a separate emergency fund. / greater than. This money is not for vacations, shopping, or I deserved it moments. It's your financial armor. Start small. First goal: $500. Next goal: 1 month of expenses. Long-term goal: 3 to 6 months of expenses. The emotional benefit: peace of mind. You stop panicking every time life throws a surprise at you. This is the part many budgets ignore, and it's often the one that changes people the most. Giving can include helping family, supporting a local cause, donating to charity, community support. Giving reminds you that money is a tool, not your identity. It builds gratitude, generosity, and a healthier relationship with wealth. Important: giving should be intentional, not pressured. Your budget should reflect your values, not guilt. The benefit: you build wealth with purpose, not just accumulation. Let's say you earn $2,000 per month. Category percentage. Amount spending: 50%, $1,000. Savings and investments: 30%, $600. Emergency savings: 10%, $200. Giving: 10%, $200. With this system, you're not just surviving the month. You're building stability, growth, and meaning into your finances automatically. Here's your simple action plan. Calculate your monthly income. Use your take-home pay. Divide it using the 50-30-10-10 rule. Write the numbers down. Create separate accounts if possible. One for spending, one for investing, one for emergencies, and one for giving. Automate transfers. This removes emotion and inconsistency. Review monthly, adjust, improve, and keep going. Remember, a budget is not a prison. It's a plan for freedom. The people who build wealth consistently usually aren't the ones making the most money. They're the ones managing money with intention. Start simple. Stay consistent. Let time do the heavy lifting. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to take control of their finances. This is Wealth in Progress, and your progress starts with one smart system. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.